good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is radiance of the inner sun. Ladies and gentlemen, since the dawn of human awareness, the sun has stood as a symbol of life, balance and order, giving light, warmth and direction to the world without demand or expectation. Beyond this visible sun, revered across traditions, an equally powerful presence exists within every individual, an inner sun. It is unseen yet deeply felt. It shapes clarity of thought, steadiness of emotion and purpose of action. When this inner sun begins to radiate, life does not merely move forward. It begins to flow with harmony. The inner sun is not a poetic idea alone. It reflects a lived human reality supported by both science and ancient wisdom. Modern research shows that the human being functions as a dynamic energy system. Thoughts create electrical patterns, emotions influence body chemistry, and intention brings the brain into greater order. Ancient traditions expressed the same understanding in a simple truth. The inner state shapes the outer experience. In the natural world, energy always moves from higher potential to lower potential. This law governs stars, oceans, and living cells alike. Human energy follows the same principle. When clarity of mind, emotional balance, and right action come into alignment, a higher inner state is formed. From this state, influence flows naturally, without effort or assertion. As the inner sun is strengthened through care of the self, disciplined habits, reflection, and trust in a greater intelligence, the individual begins to rise through inner levels of awareness. Science describes this as harmony between the brain and the heart. Ancient wisdom calls it elevation of consciousness. The language differs, but the experience is the same. In such a state, force is no longer required. Presence becomes communication. Calm becomes strength. The world responds quietly through trust, attraction, and unspoken respect. This response does not arise from status, wealth, or authority, but from the quality of energy being felt. Growth then unfolds on two levels at once. Within, wisdom deepens, courage steadies, and compassion expands. Around, others benefit, often without knowing why, from the radiance they encounter. Energy shared in balance does not diminish, it grows. Modern biology recognizes this as positive reinforcement. Ancient wisdom understood it as living in harmony with cosmic order. Most importantly, this possibility exists within every individual. The inner sun is already present by design. Nothing needs to be added, only distractions removed. As fear softens, doubt quiets, and intent becomes clear, radiance emerges naturally. What's the way forward? Awakening the inner sun requires no extremes. Small, consistent alignment is enough. Mindful thinking, purposeful action, emotional steadiness, and trust in a higher order. Silence sharpens awareness. Integrity stabilizes energy. Service refines direction. Over time, radiance becomes effortless, not practiced but lived. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the inner sun shines, progress becomes natural and contribution effortless. One individual rooted in inner balance becomes a quiet source of stability in a restless world. This timeless truth is echoed in the words of Lord Krishna as mentioned in the revered Bhagavad Gita. Established in inner balance, perform action free from attachment. When balance becomes the source, action becomes light, and light by its very nature illuminates all it touches. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.